Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's episode, I'll be showing you the steps on how to reserve on booking.com. In order to reserve a hotel on booking.com, first of all, make sure that you already have a booking.com account. If not, create one, and after that, you'll need to log in into your account. Once you're logged into your account, this is how the interface is going to look like. So in order to reserve hotel or maybe car or any other sort of things, you can see right on top you have all of this field. Now let's suppose say that you want to reserve a book on any of these hotels. So first of all, what you need to do is where you actually want to reserve hotels. So first of all, type in the name of the country or maybe the location. After that, you need to select the date or how long you'll be staying there and click on the button, and amount of room, click on a search button which is right at the bottom, and a list of hotels that is registered on booking.com will appear right over here. Now as you can see that the list of resort or hotel that is booked on booking.com will appear right over here. Now to begin with the reservation process, select the hotel that you wish to stay. After that, look for all of these convenient things, and if you're sure about it, click on the select button, and this is going to take you to the other interface where you actually need to confirm that. So click on the select button and click on reserve. So in this way you can reserve a book. Now you need to provide in all of these details, make your payment and all that, and you've successfully reserved on booking.com. However, if you want to book a taxi or reserve a taxi, then what you need to do is go back to your home screen, and after that you'll be able to see car rental or taxi. Just type in the pickup location, and you need to select the reservation date and all that. The process will remain the same, and that is basically how you can make a reservation on booking.com. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.